Hello, I'm John Woodward. What I want to do today is give you some key safety messages to make sure that you and your colleagues remain safe on demolition sites. Keep out of the exclusion zone. Wear the PPE issued to you, particularly the masks. Keep well away from the machines at all times. Follow the site inductions and any instructions given to you by your supervisor. Look after your own safety and that of others. Keep your eyes peeled for anything that looks unusual. And more importantly, work as a team. My safety depends on your safety.